Picking the right car for a new or young driver can be a real challenge. And by the right car, I mean a safe car. That is why we've once again teamed up with the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety to bring you safe, budget-friendly, new and used cars for new drivers. Here are 3 standouts that are both safe and offer enough model years to be budget-friendly. For sedans, it's the Toyota Camry. Small SUVs, it's the Subaru Forester. And even mid-size SUVs, it's the Ford Explorer. To make the list, vehicles have to have a score of at least 3 out of 5 for tests like braking, routine and emergency handling, and a score of at least 2 out of 5 for their controls and displays, meaning we exclude vehicles that have the most confusing displays and controls, which can be a distraction to drivers. All of the vehicles on the list also have electronic stability control as standard equipment, a key safety feature in avoiding crashes. In terms of crash protection, each of the vehicles also has a good rating in each of 5 different IIHS tests. Vehicles with curb weights less than 2,750 pounds are not on the list. They're a bit too small to provide really good crash protection against larger vehicles. But you'll also notice big SUVs and pickups are not on the list, as their braking and handling can be more difficult. Finally, you also won't see many sports cars, as they just invite risk. For the entire list, click on the link in the description.